Today I'm going to show you how to change one of the most forgotten filters in a car, and this is cabin air filter on Nissan Rogue. And I'm working on 2008 Nissan Rogue. This cabin air filter is the one that cleans the air you breathe inside your car. So on this 2008 Nissan Rogue, the cabin air filter is located right here underneath the steering, right by the gas pedal right there. But there is this plastic panel that we need to get it out of the way. So, and we do that by grabbing the bottom and yank it off the way, just like that. Now the cabin air filter is located right here over there by the gas pedal, and there is this little plastic panel you need to unhook and get it out from. Is the one that is actually covering the cabin air filter. So if you look, this has a latch right there and another tab on the top. So once you get that cover out, then you reach out the cabin air filter with your fingers. It's kind of tough to get it out, and that's why it's most forgotten. You already see some of the debris starting to fall down, and there we go. That's the filter there. It's coming out. And here we go. This is the cabin air filter, and you can see it hasn't been changed in months or maybe probably years. If you can see on this side, it already have some rivets and debris on it, so it was already time, probably overdue to be changed. And comparing that with the new cabin air filter, you can see the difference. Remember, this is a filter that cleans the air that you breathe inside your car. So comparing the two, you can see it's gonna make a huge difference. So when you're installing the cabin air filter, make sure you note the side of the airflow by those arrows on the corner. And so make sure you put it arrows facing towards towards inside the car. So before installing, make sure you get as much leaves and debris out of the way. And that's what I was doing there. Once you get the much you can, then you squeeze that the new cabin air filter for it to be able to go in there, because it's gonna be tough. It's not easy, but it's doable. And that's why we are doing this video, to show you that it is doable. You squeeze all the corners like that, and then you can push it in and it will go in just like that. And just to remind you, if you're new here to my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeff Carbuoy, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. For those who are already subscribed, thank you guys for your support. We couldn't be this far were it not for you. So thank you guys for support, and make sure you stay tuned. So make sure you push the cabin air filter all the way in, and as you can see, it's already inside there. Then from there, we're gonna install back the small cover, and you start hooking it up from the top, and then a ratchet on the bottom. You push until you hear that click, ensuring that it is secured. And that's how you install a cabin air filter. From here, all we need to install back is the plastic cover panel. Make sure you discard the old cabin air filter. So the plastic panel, make sure you line up the tabs with the hole, and then you push it until you hear the clicks. Otherwise, that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for staying tuned. Make sure you check out my other DIY videos, like how to change engine oil, how to change brakes and all that good stuff. Check out my other videos. I'll link some of them at the right here at the end of this video, and stay tuned, guys. More videos are coming up.